Now let us see the summary of Superannuated Man essay by Charles Lamb. In this essay, Charles Lamb's personality is well revealed. First, let us see at what age Lamb joined his job. To our shock, Lamb joined the job as a clerk at the age of 14. He worked for 36 years. He worked for 8 to 10 hours a day and he had no holidays. We might be surprised. Doesn't he have holidays on Sunday? Yes, he had holidays on Sunday. But on Sundays, shops are closed and streets are empty. There are only faces with unhappy expressions in the streets on Sunday. People do not have cheerful look. But Lamb loves London city with all its noises. So Sunday holiday does not give him happiness. Apart from this Sunday holidays, he had Easter holiday and Christmas holiday. He had 1 week holiday in summer also. That 1 week holiday only gives him tolerance to work for 1 more year of continuous labor in his office. But those days also pass quickly. You may have doubt whether Lamb has any liking to go for this continuous labor without any holidays. Yes, he does not like this job. Even in his sleep, he had terrible dreams. Finally, there comes a relief to Lamb. At the age of 50, the directors of the firm proposed him of the retirement with the pension of 2/3 of his salary. He accepted it with gratitude. Now we are going to see Lamb's life after retirement. Lamb felt that he has been released from the prison for few days. He has been released from 40 years of imprisonment, he felt. He has more time now. Earlier he was a man of hard work and man of busy schedule, but now he has become a man of leisure. Just like the wealthy man needs a counselor to use his vast property properly, he needs also one counselor to use his vast time. Time became his wealth. He tells his readers to experience this happiness. Don't give up your job. You will end up facing problems only. Next we are going to see how Lamb feels very young at the age of 50. You may be surprised. At the age of 50, how can one feel young? He had his own calculation. We are going to see that. Though Lamb is aged 50, he feels very young. He understands that time is man's real property. That is the time spent to himself. If the time is spent for others, it is their time. In his past life, he worked only for others. So he deducted those years and found himself very young. After this strange calculation, he had one strange rule also, that is 3 years working period and 1 year leisure period. We are going to see that now. Lamb says next 10 years he would be free. That is equal to preceding 30 years of hard work. So 30 years he worked. Now he is going to experience 10 years of leisurely period. Based on this calculation, he says man should have 1 year leisure time for 3 years of hard work. And then we are going to see his visit to his office. Lamb had a strange feeling. He felt he retired from his office ages ago. But actually a short period ago only he got his retirement. He felt the directors and clerks were dead. So to get rid of this feeling, he visited his office and met his colleagues. But he did not recapture the previous spirit. The previous jokes, when exchanged, now ended like an artificial one. His desks turned out to be somebody else's desk. He felt like having deserted his colleagues. He feels indebted to his office colleagues because for 36 years, with their jokes only, he got relief from that laborious life, that drudgery life in office. Now Lamb feels he can do anything in his life. After few years of his retirement, Lamb felt he is his own master. He can do whatever he liked. He can go wherever he pleased. All seasons remain the same to him. He does not even know the day in a week and date in a month. And then he talks of no factories. Lamb asks people why people are working, for what purpose they are working. He says if he had a son, he would name his son as nothing to do and make him do nothing. Only the factories make people busy. Let the earthquake swallow those factories. After coming to this world, he had done everything he could do. The rest of his life was purely for himself. And then we are going to see how Sundays and Mondays were before and after. Mondays were sad days for Lamb when he was at his work. But after his retirement, no blackness on Monday. It becomes white like Sunday. Before retirement, he hated to go to church on Sunday. But now he goes to church without any feeling of loss of time. So this essay is written in a melancholic tone. Lamb could not forget his laborious life in his office.